Dear students, in the previous session we discussed the solutions of the quadratic equation by factorization method. What is the general form of the quadratic equation? General form of the quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. An equation that can be expressed in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So this type of the equation is known as the quadratic equation. How many solutions, how many roots are there for the quadratic equation? There are two roots. Why? Because the highest power is a 2. If the highest power is a 2, it has two roots or the two solutions. So the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How to solve the quadratic equation? How to find the value of the x in this equation? There are several methods to solve the quadratic equation. So the first method is solutions of a quadratic equation by factorization method. And the second one is solutions of the quadratic equation by completing the square method. And the third one is the formula method. So in the previous session, we learned solutions of the quadratic equation by factorization method. For example, x square plus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. Why? Because in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now solve this quadratic equation or find the roots of the equation. We already discussed the factorization method. Is it possible to find the roots of this equation by the factorization method? So here the first term is x square and the last term is a 5. So their product is a 5x square. Now resolve into factors. Resolve into factors such that their product is 5x square and the sum is 5x, which are the two factors. Is it possible this equation can be factorized by the factorization method? No. So therefore, there are no 5x square. 5x square, how to resolve 5x square? With respect to the conditions. So the condition product is 5x square and the sum is 5x square. When the quadratic equation cannot be solved by the factorization method, it can be done by completing the square method. So this is the second method. So first method is a factorization method and the second method is solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method. When the quadratic equation cannot be solved by factorization method, so this can be done by the completing the square method. So in this session we are going to discuss about the completing the square method. So look at the first example. Solve the equation x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square. So solutions of the quadratic equation, there are several methods. In that, first one is the factorization method. So second one is the completing the square method. So the steps of the completing the square method. So the given equation x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. So the first step, check whether the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or not, or in the standard form. So the given equation already in the form of the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or standard form. So this is the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And next method or next step is check look at the coefficient of the x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, then take the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is 6. So minus 7. So this is the constant term. Transpose that constant term to the right hand side. X square plus 6x equal to 7. So what is the first step? Write the given equation in the standard form. And the second step is, if the coefficient of x square is 1, if the coefficient of x square is 1, look at the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means that is b value. So ax square plus bx plus c. So the b value means the coefficient of x, that is 6. And next, take the half of the coefficient of x. Half of the coefficient of x means their half into 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So b value equal to 3. Next, square it or find b square. So b square equal to 3 square equal to 9. So this is the second step. What is the first step? Write the given equation in the standard form. And the second step is, look at the coefficient of x square. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, then consider the coefficient of x. So that is the value of b, and take the half of the value of coefficient of x, half into 6. So b equal to 3 and square it. So b square equal to 9. Now add b square value means 9 to both the sides. So x square plus 6x, add b square value means plus 9 equal to 7 plus 9. So this value, b square value to both the sides. X square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 16. Now look at the left hand side, x square plus 6x plus 9. So this is a perfect square. So x square plus 6x plus 9 in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. How can we write x square plus 6x plus 9? So we can write it as x plus 3 whole square equal to 16. X plus 3 whole square. So you have already learnt x square plus 6x plus 9, or a plus b whole square, factors of a plus b whole square, or the expansion of a plus b whole square. So x square plus 6x plus 9, their factors x plus 3 whole square, or x plus 3 whole square. So expansion x square plus 2 into x into 3 means 6x plus 3 square means 9. So x square plus 6x plus 9. So here x square plus 6x plus 9 can be written as x plus 3 whole square. So x plus 3 whole square equal to 16. Our aim is to find the value of x. How to find the value of x? Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So taking square root, taking square root on both sides. So x plus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of 16. So it has two values because the square. X plus 3 whole square equal to 16, or x plus 3 equal to plus or minus root 16. So x plus 3 equal to plus or minus 16, their square root is 4. Now what is the value of x? So therefore x equal to x plus 3 equal to plus 4, or x plus 3 equal to minus 4. Now find the value of x. So x equal to 4 plus 3, transpose plus 3 to the right hand side. So minus 3. So x equal to 1. X equal to 1. And what about here? X equal to minus 4 plus 3 becomes minus 3. So x equal to minus 7. So x equal to minus 7 and x equal to 1 are the solutions of the quadratic equation x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0. So this method is known as completing the square method. So the first method, factorization method. If when the quadratic equation cannot be solved by the factorization method, so it can be done by the completing the square method. So this method is known as the completing the square method. Just recall the steps of the completing the square method. So first step is the write the given equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And the second step, suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, then look at the coefficient of x, half the coefficient of x, half the coefficient of x and square it. Add this value to both the sides. and solve the equation. So we get the solutions of the quadratic equation. So this method is known as the completing the square method. Move on to the next example. Solve the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. So the given equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. What is the first step? Standard form. So the given equation already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Otherwise you have to write the given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is the first step. What about the second step? Coefficient of x square is 1. Then take the coefficient of x, half of the coefficient of x. But what about in this equation? What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 2. So one more step is, if the coefficient of x square is not 1, so what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 2. There are two ways. So the first one is either multiply by the coefficient of x square or dividing throughout by the coefficient of x square. So dividing the coefficient of x square. Dividing by the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? That is a 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 divided by coefficient of x square is 2 divided by 2. Clear? Dividing the coefficient of x square. Now divide. So 2x square divided by 2 minus 5x divided by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So here 2 to cancel. So x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So this one is a constant. So transpose the constant of x square minus 5 by 2 into x equal to minus 3 by 2. Now check the coefficient of x square. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1. So what is the coefficient of x square here? Coefficient of x square is 1. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1. Take the half of the coefficient of x. So here, so the b value equal to 5 by 2. B value is 5 by 2. Their half into half of the coefficient of x equal to 5 ones are 5 divided by 2 into 2 4. So this is the value of b. Now square it or find the value of b square. So b square equal to 5 by 4 whole square equal to 25 by 16. So this is the value of b square. So what is the first step? Standard form. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1. Take the coefficient, half of the coefficient of x and add the coefficient x to the both sides and square it. Suppose the coefficient x square is not equal to 1, dividing throughout by the equation by the coefficient of x square. So next take the half the coefficient of x. So here b square value is 25 by 16. Now add 25 by 16 or the b square value to both the sides. So see here, x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus b square value 25 by 16 equal to 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Now solve the equation. So just to look at the left hand side of the equation, x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 25 by 16. So the left hand side in the form of x a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So their factors x a plus b whole square in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So here the value of a is x and b is 5 by 4. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2. X minus 5 by 4 whole square expansion. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square. So their expansion a square means x square minus 2ab 2 into x into 5 by 4 plus b square 5 by 4 whole square. So equal to x square minus 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 5 by 2 into x plus 25 by 16. So here x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 25 by 16. So therefore x square minus 5 by 2 into x plus 25 by 16 can be written as simply x minus 5 by 4 whole square. So therefore, left hand side in the form of x minus 5 by 4 whole square. Next, solve the equation x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to, just look at the right hand side, 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2, in between there is a minus sign, so we have to subtract, but the denominator must be same. So here the denominator is 16, here the denominator is 2, so take the LCM. Or equalize the denominator. How to equalize the denominator? By taking the LCM. So 16 and 2. So their LCM 2 8s are 2 1s are. Next 4 2s are 1s are. So 2 1s are 1s are. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So LCM is 16. Least common multiple. So that is 16. So the denominator is 16. How to write the numerator? So 25 by 16 multiply the LCM. So 16 cancel equal to 25. So first one 25. So here the sign minus. So 3 by 2 into multiply the LCM. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So 8 into 3 is 24. So here the numerator value. So 24. So 25 minus 24 divided by 16. So next x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 25 minus 24 1 by 16. So here the whole square. So we have to take the square root. So taking square root on both sides. So x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 16. Now take the square root. X minus 5 by 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 1 is 1. So square root of 16 is 4. So therefore x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus or minus 1 by 4. Our aim is to find the value of x. Now solve the equation. So first possibility, x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus 1 by 4, or x minus 5 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4. Now solve this equation, so we get the value of x. Now transpose the constant term, x equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 becomes plus 5 by 4. Now solve the equation. So denominator same, denominator 4. So what about the numerator? 1 plus 5. So equal to 6 by 4. So this is the value of x, or x equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 3 by 2. So this is the value of x. So here x minus 5 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4, or x equal to minus 5 by 4 transpose to the right hand side, it becomes plus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So what about the denominator? Denominator is same. If the denominator is same, so subtract the numerator. So 4, 5 minus 1. So equal to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So therefore x equal to 1. So these are the solutions of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to 1. So this method is known as completing the square method. I think understood the problem. Next example, solve the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. So by the method of completing the square, so the given equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So the given equation already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is the next step? Look at the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 2. So divide throughout by the equation by the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 2. Divide throughout by the equation by 2. 2x square divided by 2 minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So 2 ones are cancel. So x square minus 7 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So here the 3 by 2 is a constant. So transpose to the right hand side. X square minus 7 by 2 into x equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, look at the coefficient of x square. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1. Then take the half the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is 7 by 2, thereof. So suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, take the half the coefficient of x. So b equal to 7 by 2. So this is the value of b. Half the coefficient of x means multiply by half. So half into coefficient of x. So equal to 1 into 7, 7, 2 into 2, 4. Then square it. Square it means therefore b square equal to 7 by 4 whole square. So equal to 7 square 49, 4 square 16. So this is the value of b square. Now add the value of b square to both the sides. So we get x square minus 7 by 2 into x plus add the value of b square to the both the sides. So 49 by 16 equal to 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Now solve the equation. So just look at the left hand side of the equation, x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 49 by 16, it is a perfect square. So how can we write x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 49 by 16 with the help of the identity? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as x minus 7 by 4 whole square. When we expand x minus 7 by 4 whole square using identity, so we get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16. So equal to 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. What is LCM? 3, 16 and 2. So their LCM 2 8s are 2 1s are. So next 8 1s are 2 8s are, that is 16. So 16 is the LCM. So LCM 16. Now what about the numerator? 49 by 16 multiplied by the LCM. So 16 16 cancel equal to 49. So here 49 minus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 3s are 24. So here the numerator is 24. So 49 minus 24 divided by 16. So next, x minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to 49 minus 24. 49 minus 24 equal to 25 divided by 16. So here whole square, taking square root on both sides. So x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus or minus square root of 25 by 16. So equal to x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus or minus. So take the square root of 25 by that is 5, 16 square root of 4. So therefore x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. Now we have to find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? So x minus 7 by 4 equal to plus 5 by 4, or x minus 7 by 4 equal to minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Next, solve the equation or find the value of x. So here minus 7 by 4 is a constant transposed to the right hand side. So x equal to 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4 becomes a plus 7 by 4. So what about the denominator? So denominator same. If the denominator is same, add the numerator. So 5 plus 7, denominator 4. So 5 plus 7 is a 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So therefore x equal to 3. X equal to 3. And what about the second one? X equal to minus 7 by 4 becomes a plus 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 equal to denominator same. So subtract the numerator 7 minus 5 equal to 2 by 4. So this is the value of x, or 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2. So x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So this method is known as the completing the square method. So just recall the steps of the completing the square method. First one is write the given equation in the form of the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Next, locate the coefficient of x square. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, take the half the coefficient of x. Or coefficient of x square is not equal to 1, then divide throughout by the equation by the coefficient of x square. Next, take the half the coefficient of x, then square it, then add the value of b square to both the sides, then solve the equation. So we get the two roots of the quadratic equation. So this method is known as the completing the square method. So next example, solve the equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. So the given equation 5x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0, already in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So check the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 5. Now divide throughout by the equation by the coefficient of x square. So divide by 5. So here the coefficient of x square is 5. Now 5x square divided by 5 minus 6 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. So 5 cancel. So x square minus 6 by 5 into x minus 2 by 5 equal to 0. So now transpose the constant term. X square minus 6 by 5 into x equal to 2 by 5. Now look at the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. Suppose the coefficient of x square is 1, take the half the coefficient of x. So that is the value of b. So b equal to half into 6 by 5. Now multiply 6 into 1 6, 2 into 5 10, 2 3s are 2 5s are. So this 5 3 by 5. Now square it. So square it, or the square b square equal to 3 by 5 whole square equal to 3 square means 9, 5 square means 25. So b square equal 9 by 25. Now add this value to the both the sides, or add b square to both the sides. So we get x square minus 6 by 5 into x plus b square value, that is 9 by 25, equal to 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25. 9 by 25. So look at the left hand side of the equation. So this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, or we can write it as a minus b whole square. So a square, a value x, b value 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 whole square. So equal to 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25. So denominator 5 and 25, take the LCM 5 and 25. So what is LCM? 5 ones are 5 5s are. So next divide by 5, ones are 5 into 5, 25. So LCM is 25. Now what about the numerator? 25 denominator. So here 2 by 5 into 25. 5 ones are 5 5s are, 5 into 2, 10. So here 10 plus 9 by 25 into LCM 25. 25 cancel, equal to 9. So plus 9. 10 plus 9 divided by 25. So next x minus 3 by 5 whole square equal to 10 plus 9, 19 divided by 25. So here whole square, taking square root on both sides, x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus or minus square root of 19 divided by 25. Now take the square root, x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus or minus square root of 19. 19 is not a perfect square number, so therefore square root of 19 divided by square root of 25. Square root of 25, their square root is 5. So now find the value of x. So therefore x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus root 19 divided by 5, or x minus 3 by 5 equal to minus root 19 divided by 5. Now solve the equation. So x equal to transpose minus 3 by 5, root 19 divided by 5 plus 3 by 5. So which is equal to, so what about the denominator? Denominator same. So denominator same 5. In the numerator root 19 plus 3. So therefore x equal to 3 plus root 19 divided by 5. So this is the value of x. So next, what about the x here? So x equal to minus 3 by 5 becomes a plus 3 by 5 minus root 19 divided by 5 equal to, in between minus sign. What about the denominator? So denominator same. So denominator 5, in the numerator 3 minus root 19. So therefore x equal to 3 minus root 19 divided by 5. So this is the another value of the x. So therefore the roots of the quadratic equation, x equal to 3 plus root 19 by 5 and 3 minus root 19 by 5. So this method is known as the completing the square method. So students, practice the problems by factorization method as well as the completing the square method, and we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.